Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. It's warm, it's in the 40s, the sun is shining. Today we are going to be making me move you around a little bit. I found this on Pinterest. I thought it was the coolest idea. These are Easter baskets made out of candy. So you can fill this. I have some of this little paper stuff inside, the shredded paper. I got it at the dollar store. I found the candy and everything at the Dollar Tree. Has a Nerd rope. I had trouble finding the Nerd ropes. I did find them at Save-A-Lot here in my village, in my town. And then I have cardboard on the bottom. And you can fill these with more candy, more, toys. Great project for the kids. And they're fairly cheap. I mean, they're under 10 bucks to make. It was like $1.25 per candy, so say 5, and then this was the Nerd rope was 6, and then you can add whatever you want inside. So I have the bottom with the cardboard on this one too. So let me show you how to make these. Fairly easy. You're going to need your glue gun. You're going to need 4 boxes of movie theater candy, any kind you'd like. I'm going to need to buy a Nerd rope. This is going to be the handle. I had bought originally, because I couldn't find meat sticks to make as the rope. So I mean, you can do that. You can do the Laffy Taffy, the rope Laffy Taffy would work too. Whatever you want to use. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your boxes. These ones are Mike and Ike's that I bought. And I'm going to do, I got 2 blue and 2 green boxes. So the original fruit and the Mega Mix. So you're going to line them up with the nice side on the outside. Just like this. I always try to get it kind of, make sure all the writing is up and you can read it and it's the orientation you like. Okay, I always try to set it up before I do it, before I start gluing. And then you're going to take one of your boxes. I take the longer boxes that are like kind of on the inside. See how this one's on the inside. I'll take this one and I will glue the end. Just like that. And then you are going to just assemble your box. This is such a cute idea. A little DIY for Easter. And they're fairly quick and easy to assemble. Sorry about the cat. She usually doesn't pop in when I'm doing videos. Alrighty. Then once you have all sides done, you have the main part of your box finished. Make sure they're all lined up. Looking nice. Just like that. Now, for the bottom, I just used cardboard. You can use whatever you would like on the bottom. Just flip it over. And we are going to get a piece of cardboard. I just used one of my Amazon boxes. for the cardboard. Woo. So you're just going to measure it to whatever size you like. Sure it fits the bottom. I'm going to cut just a tad on that side, just like that. And then you're going to take your glue gun, and you're just going to glue just a line down that side. Just to hold the bottom on. Just like that. Flip it around. And now we're going to work on the handle. I just put a little line of glue. You're going to find out which side. Either one's fine. Whichever side you want to put the handle on. Do about an inch, inch and a half of glue, depending on how big your piece is. You can measure it. That works perfect for my nerd rope. And then you're just going to adhere it. Just like that. And that's it for the box. Pretty easy, quick, cute. I love them. I'm going to take some of this decorative shred that I had gotten, and I am going to put some in the box. And then after you're done, you can add whatever you like in that side. Add a bunny rabbit, add a stuffed animal, add some more candy inside. However you see fit. And we are done. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Please like and subscribe. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. So I did the Mike and Ike one. Here's the nerd one I did. And then I also did one with the Swedish fish. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day.